61A, lecture number 36, announcements. We will have online office hours today, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. on oh.cs61a.org. I do expect that we might not get to everybody who asks for help, but we will do our best, and hopefully we can help a lot of students. We will prioritize regular questions from the SCHEME project. If there's time left over, we're happy to help people with the SCHEME extra credit as well as homework 9. But my guess is that there will not be time left over and that all of the available capacity will focus on helping people with the regular questions on the SCHEME project. Homework 9 was extended. SCHEME is due on Tuesday, but you get a bonus point for submitting today. This is in addition to the 2 bonus points you get automatically and a bonus point if you finish the extra credit question. If you don't finish the extra credit question, go ahead and submit today. Then you'll get this bonus point. You won't get this bonus point, but it's just 1 point. And this extra credit point is the hardest point to get in the whole course, I think. So probably not one that you should worry about too much. Today's lecture is just this set of YouTube videos. There's no live lecture and no Zoom lecture. And I'll remind you that the completely optional SCHEME Recursive Art Contest submissions are due Monday if you want to be part of that. Today's lecture will complete the required content for SQL this semester, and it focuses on cases where you want to group multiple rows into a single result. Let's check it out.